Hello, beautiful internet family. Dan here from DansTube.TV, and today I've got a really exciting video. I'm giving away 4 codes for the Lychee flight controller application for all of your drones out there that are compatible with this application. It's really exciting because I have 2 iOS and 2 Android codes to give away, and Lychee recently had an update where you can now use your Mini 2, your Mini SE, as well as the Air 2S, as well as all the previous DJI drones. I think the Mavic 3 is like the only drone that's not ready just yet to be used through Lychee. But this opens up so many options for pilots out there. You can now use tracking modes, following modes, you can set up waypoints, there's FPV modes, pano modes, a ton of options out there through the Lychee application. And the majority of these aren't available to Mini 2 and Mini SE users. We can't use waypoints, we can't use tracking modes, but Lychee has enabled that now for the masses. I do have a few videos on the channel. I actually uploaded 3 to showcase the Mini SE as well as the Mini 2's functionality through the Lychee application. I've showcased waypoints as well as following modes. So check that out, that will be popping up on the screen right now. But check that out on the channel if you want more context around what Lychee is and how it could benefit you. And I've also done a bunch of content on the Mavic Mini as well, when the SDK was available and when Lychee released the Mavic Mini compatibility option. So that was something that was really exciting, that I had a bunch of content on the channel. Check those out as well. But this is all about the giveaway. I know there are a bunch of people out there who really want to check out Lychee, but are just concerned by the price tag associated with the application. It's kind of uncommon to pay for apps, especially over 20 bucks, but Lychee honestly has a bunch of features and it's well worth that price. But I guess this giveaway is just to give 4 lucky people the opportunity to test it out for free. You get full access to the application. And if you just got yourself the Mini SE, for example, this is a perfect tool. You know, if you've got the Mini 2, if you've got the Air 2S, they're the 3 new drones that got added in. And then, like I said just before, most of the other DJI drones are compatible. So go to the website if you don't know, and make sure that it's actually compatible with the drone that you have. But a very easy giveaway to enter, and literally all you have to do, go over to the Fearless Drone Academy's website, which is fearlessdrone.academy. Once you land on the website, you've just got to scroll down a little bit until you find the giveaway form, and that will give you some more details around like what the giveaway is for, you know, how long it's going to be running for, and a few other key pieces of information. And then literally you just got to put your email address and then your name. But alongside your name, I want you to write either iOS or Android. So dependent on the device that you have, let me know whether it's iOS or Android, and that'll make it a lot easier when I choose the winners, as I don't want to give an Android user an iOS code, if that makes sense. So make sure that you put your name and then the device that you want it on, just iOS or Android. The other really cool thing about this giveaway is once you sign up, you immediately get access to the pre-flight checklist from the Fearless Drone Academy. This is an exclusive resource available to students, but if you sign up for this giveaway, you also get that as a bonus gift, which is a win-win-win-win for everyone. And then the other thing that's exclusive to this giveaway and to this video in particular is the opportunity to save 40% off the drone course. It's going to be the cheapest it's ever been. This is going to be a very limited window to get 40% off the course. It won't be this cheap again for a very, very long time. So the whole idea is you just put in the promo code Lychee, and basically this promo is only going to run up until the announcement video for the giveaway, which will probably be in about 2 weeks most likely. So you'll know straight when the giveaway is over, that's when that 40% off code is done. I'll remind you through your email basically once you sign up, so then you know about this special. But you literally just put in Lychee in the promo code section and you'll save 40% off the Fearless Drone Academy course. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the crazy thing about Lychee is it unlocks the full potential of your drone. So a lot of the features, especially for like the Mini SE and the Mini 2, a lot of the features just aren't available and will never be available. If you don't have the Lychee application and you're just using the default DJI Fly app, you're never going to have access to waypoints or following modes. But that's where Lychee comes in and really helps you take your drone to the next level. And through my tests, I've been very impressed. They've definitely improved it a lot since I initially used it with the Mavic Mini. It was still a great experience, but it's come so far now and it's such a reliable experience. I had no issues when I was testing it on the Mini SE and the Mini 2. Flawless experience and something that was very exciting to see. Such a small drone like the Mini SE, such an affordable drone, you know, utilizing some of the like key features of the more expensive drones and doing it really well. So that's basically it. I'm giving away those 4 codes. Keep an eye on the Fearless Drone Academy's website for the announcement. Keep an eye on my YouTube channel as well as the Fearless Drone Academy's YouTube channel. There will be an announcement video up on both of those channels. Make sure to subscribe to Fearless Drone Academy as well. There'll be some exclusive content over there coming very soon. That's a really cool resource as well. I'll be adding some more content around helping beginner drone pilots become more like confident and fearless. So that's what I'm going to focus on the Fearless Drone Academy's YouTube. Check that out. There'll be more giveaways as well coming soon to DansTube and the Fearless Drone Academy. So it's definitely worthwhile staying subscribed to the newsletter as you'll be notified about future giveaways and offers and specials and whatever else. But that's kind of it. It's going to run for about 2 weeks, this giveaway. That 40% off code will only be there for the 2 weeks. Use the code Lychee if you want to save that because it's never going to be this cheap again. And then the other thing is just, you know, making sure you check your emails regularly for the announcement. Make sure that you also get your free gift, which is the pre-flight checklist. And that's basically it. I'll let you know in the coming weeks who's won the codes, 4 codes, 2 iOS, 2 Android. That simple, guys. Thank you so much for all of the love, and I'll chat to you in the next one. Peace.